Good day, guys. If you work in construction, you know how difficult it can be to keep projects, teams, and documents organized in one place. So that's where Procore comes in, a platform that claims to be ultimate all-in-one construction management solution. But is it truly the best? Let us talk about it. So Procore is a cloud-based construction management software designed to connect everyone involved in a project, from contractors and architects to clients and field workers. It helps manage everything from project documentation and drawings to budgets, RFIs, and daily reports, all in one dashboard. The idea is simple. Centralize your workflow so every team member always works with the latest, most accurate data. And Procore's key features include, firstly, project management for RFIs, submittals, and meeting minutes, document management, letting you upload and share blueprints or revisions instantly, financial tools to track budgets, contracts, and costs in real time, and field collaboration, giving workers access to drawings and logs directly from mobile devices, even on site. It's built for large-scale projects where communication and precision are critical. And Procore's biggest strength is its integration. Every department can work in one ecosystem, which reduces confusion and delays. It's also known for its excellent mobile access, helping field teams stay updated from anywhere. And if your company handles multiple projects, Procore's scalability makes it easy to manage everything from a single platform. And in terms of the weaknesses, many users say the pricing is high, especially for smaller contractors. It also has a learning curve. With so many tools, onboarding takes time. So Procore is best suited for medium to large construction companies managing multiple projects at once. If your workflow involves a lot of documentation, subcontractors, and coordination between office and field teams, this platform delivers real value. So is it really the best? Well, for large firms that need complete visibility, collaboration, and control, absolutely, yes. But for smaller teams with simpler workflows, it might be more than you need. If you want to explore it yourself, you can check out the demo at the official website and see if it fits your case. And this wraps up our review, guys. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth software reviews that help you choose the right tools for your business.